Welcome to Tales Telling, a channel where stories bring wisdom, wonder, and tradition to life. Enjoy heartwarming folktales and unforgettable stories for all ages. Subscribe, like, share, comment your favorite moments, and hit the notification bell to stay connected. Let's keep our stories alive, one tale at a time.
We got this. Rena, I'm tired. I've been trying for so long, and it feels like I'm not getting anywhere. I know, Jay. But just because it's taking time doesn't mean you're not moving forward. Every little step counts. Sometimes, I wonder if it's even worth it. It is. You've grown so much already, even if you can't see it yet. Remember when you almost gave up last month? You didn't, you kept going. Yeah, but it's hard to stay positive every day. You don't have to be positive all the time. You just have to keep showing up. Even small progress is still progress. You really think I'll make it? I know you will. You've got strength, Jay, even on your worst days. Believe in yourself like I believe in you. Arden 70 way. Arden 70 way. Thanks, Rena. I really needed that. Anytime. We're in this together. No quitting, just growing. Deal. We keep going. Keep believing. Keep growing. You got this.